guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be unboxing dun 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 Japan Crate. This is a subscription box that you can get. I believe I paid $12.99 for it. You can choose if you want a bigger box, which I believe was like $30, but I chose the smaller one just because I do not have a very sophisticated palate, so I'm nervous about tasting the items in here, but we're gonna taste them out and see what they look like. I ordered this in February, and I believe it took about 3 to 4 weeks for me to get it. So this is what it looks like. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested in, you know, subscribing and trying this out. So this is what the box looks like. You know, it has the customs label on the back. So I'm gonna open this up, and this is what it looks like here. So it has a few snacks in there. So we're gonna open it up. Okay, so it has this little brochure in here. It says March 2018, and it has the different, there's 3 different boxes you can get. So you can get the mini, the original, and the mini, original, and premium. I got the mini, and it shows us here what the items are. Can you guys see that? So it has, so let's open them up and see. Oh, and then it says what's happening in Japan. So that's cool. It looks like this, like what's happening in Japan, and it has like the different, you know, activities or whatever. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna, you know, reference this. I did my nails black today with like one of them like a chrome kind of color. I don't know how I feel about it. I wanted black nails. I don't know how I feel about them. What do you guys think? Do you see the middle one? Like the middle one is usually the one that I get a different color, but I don't know, I'm stuck with them for 2 weeks. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna open up in here is, it says Pandoro brand butter cookie, and it looks like this with a cute little panda. I love the little packaging on these things. I absolutely love it. So got my trusty scissors here. So let's open. Oh, and it has like a little thing to play tic-tac-toe on the back of it. That's super cute. Okay, so let me open this up and see what is in here. Oh, it totally smells. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like the, you know the, what's that brand? Come on. The ones in the white bag, the chess little square cookies in the white bag like this. Oh my God, what's that brand? Oh my God, I don't know. I can't remember, but it's a white bag like this, and it has like the square cookies that are like chessmen cookies or something like that. Oh my God, why isn't it escaping me? I don't know, but that's what it smells like. Oh, it was a little panda, but the ear broke off. Look at how cute that is. Oh, I think the ear's in here. Yeah, the ear's in here. Oh my God, that is so freaking cute. Let me show you guys. The little ear was in the, look at how cute that is. Oh, little tiny panda. Okay, let's taste it. It tastes just like those chessmen cookies. What is the brand of that dang cookie? They make like Sausalito ones. They make the Milano is the ones they called the flat ones with like the filling inside. Oh my God, what is the name? All right, hold on. This is butter cookie, but I don't know what any of this means in here, like that. But it kind of tastes like there's coconut in it. We all know how I feel about coconut. What is that brand? Do you guys know what brand I'm talking about? Please, somebody tell me in the comments down below. I cannot remember that brand. And they make like the white, like the macadamia cookies, and they're white like this in a paper bag, and it's like rolled up on top. Oh my God, I can't remember. It's super good. It does have a hint of like some kind of coconut in there. Maybe I'm tripping, I don't know, but that was a really good cookie. I saved half of it because my boys have been like, Mom, let us open it, and they wanted to taste it, so I saved half of it for them. I have my blended pizza again. Hold. Okay, so the next thing in here is cream cake. This looks like a Twinkie kind of thing. And it's super full of air. Look, can you guys see how full of air that is? Look, it's like exploding with air. I'm afraid this is gonna pop when I cut it open, but let me just do a little corner to let the air out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So okay, this does not look like a Twinkie. Look, it looks like, you know, the fig the fig Newtons. It kind of looks like that, but like two of them stacked together. Look. And then it has like this glaze and chocolate. All right, let me cut this in half. So, oh, but it's soft like bread. Ooh, look at the inside. It's like strawberry in there. Can you guys see that? Ooh, I'm gonna say, I told you guys, I told my boys I'd save them half of the snack so that they can taste it. Let's taste this bad boy. It tastes like cake. Oh my god, the cookie part, it's not hard. It's like bread. And the filling inside is strawberry. I'm gonna tell you guys, okay, first before I say anything, don't judge me. We're gonna be friends no matter what. Our channel here, our community channel here, is a no judging zone. We cannot judge each other. We are here to be friends and love each other, okay? So this is a safe space. No judging. With that said, I don't like Twinkies. Twinkies and me have issues. I just don't like them at all. And I thought this was going to be a Twinkie, but it's not. It's like cake in there. Really, really good. And this is this cream cake. It's like this. Super good. So far, 2 out of however many. Great. Okay, so the next thing in here is, it just says premium. I don't know. It kind of feels hard. I don't know what this is. So it looks like this. I still have like, I feel like I have bread in my teeth from the other thing. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. It just says premium up here. It kind of feels a little hard in there. So let's open it up and see what's in there. And in the back, it's all like, you know, Japanese. So I don't know what that says. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Can you guys smell that? Smell it. Take a big whiff. This smells like my mom makes these shrimp things for like right now during Lent, and it's like powdered shrimp, like ground up dried shrimp. That's what this smells like. I love shrimp, but I don't love dried shrimp. So this looks like a big ass hot Cheeto. Look at that. Oh, oh my god. And it's powdery like a hot Cheeto. It smells like dried shrimp. Listen, we're gonna taste it. Let me have some blended pizza. I'm nervous about this, but, and it's hollow inside. Can you guys see? Look, it's hollow in there. Look, can you guys see? Pray for me. Send help. It's actually not bad. It tastes like a hot Cheeto, not a hot Cheeto, like a regular Cheeto, but it has like 5 times more powdered cheese on it than a regular Cheeto. And it has, have you guys ever had the shrimp flavored chips, the ones that they sell at Asian markets? Like, they look like French fries, but they're crunchy and they're shrimp flavored. I know that sounds weird, but I like those for some reason. I don't know what this tastes like, but it's like a Cheeto with a little bit of mixed in dried shrimp, if that makes sense. And it looks like a Cheeto. Look, let's take one more bite. You know what? I'm actually a fan of this. I like it. The smell was kind of weird at first because it was like, whoa, you know? But there's a Cheeto dust. It's not bad, actually. It's pretty good. I like it. So far, 3 out of 3. We're doing good here. Okay, so the next thing in here is this little box. I don't know what this is. It doesn't say, like, everything on here is Japanese. And oh, you know what? I have my paper here. Duh. Let's see what this says. Actually, no, I don't want to read it. Look, so it looks like this, right? There's like a little vampire on it. That kind of makes me nervous. It's like a little vampire and he has like a drop of something on his tongue. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, they look like candy balls or something. Look, I'll show you guys. Look, can you guys see that? Candy? Like maybe candy. Let's pop one right on in. Oh, it's gum. Oh, it's gum. It's like fruit flavored gum. I like the packaging. Oh, some sourness came out of somewhere. Oh, woo! All right, well, whoa, mama. Oh man, something in there. It took a few seconds, but it hit me that sour. Hold on, I'm gonna spit this out. Hold on, that was gross. Sorry, guys. I'm back. The gum wasn't bad. It was that whatever took a few seconds to hit me in the taste buds. Ooh, that's sour. I'm not a fan of sour, shockingly. So the last item in here are these adorable little packaged. It says Tajato caramel corn. Those look like cheese puffs to me, but they're green. So I don't know. Let's open them up and see what those taste like. I love all this packaging. I'm telling you, I think it's adorable. So let me open this up. So that's what they look like. They do look like green, like Cheeto Puffs or something in there. They look like, do you guys know the Gerber baby puffs, the puffs for babies in a can? That's what this looks like for toddlers. Let me cleanse my palate. I'm afraid of this. Blended pizza, here we come. It smells like, I don't know how to identify that smell. What is this little orange guy on this side right here saying? What is he saying? Somebody tell me. Okay, let me read our little pamphlet to see what it says. Oh, matcha milk, caramel corn, matcha milk corn. I think that's how you pronounce that, right? Matcha. I don't know. Maybe I'm saying that wrong. It says matcha is a fine powdered green tea that is often used in traditional tea ceremonies. These delicious caramel puffs are coated in matcha milk blend with green tea sourced from Yuji Kyoto. Enjoy the timeless matcha flavor with a modern twist in every bite. I don't know. I don't know what matcha is. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but listen, let's just jump right on in. Okay. These, all right. My taste buds were not expecting to taste what I'm tasting here. These taste like Cracker Jacks. You know how the Cracker Jacks have that caramelly popcorny flavor? It made me so happy. These are so effing good. Here's the thing. If I would have seen this, I would have been like, ew, green puffs. No, sir. Do not give me any of those. But these are freaking delicious. I really am shocked by how good these are. I'm telling you, they're green, right? And it's like, do I want green anything in my life? I don't know. Dude, these are freaking bomb.com. Oh, I have a pregnant niece. I'm going to give it to her. She's going to love these. So good. Wait, do I want to share? No. Do I want to give them to my kids? No. I'm going to tell the kids that these were gross so that they don't like them. So good. So, there's our box. I love these snacks. All of them are really good. I'm really, really surprised. If I had to pick my least favorite, it would be the gum. Because I'm not a fan of sour. So, that would definitely be my least favorite. These are good, y'all. If you guys can... Here, you guys want one? Here. Oh my god, these are freaking bomb.com. They make me happy. happy. It'll make me happy. All right. My least favorite, I just dropped one, are the gums. Oh, where'd it go? I'm sitting Indian style on my chair because I broke my little, as I was recording my fun video, I tried to move one of the little legs on my tripod and I completely broke it. So I'm like improvising. I'm sitting like Indian style on my chair. Is that okay to say? I'm sitting cross-legged on my chair and my leg's falling asleep, but I'm enjoying these delicious snacks. Let me know what you guys think. So these were my least favorite. These are totally my favorite. Absolutely love them. Everything in between was delicious. I really like it. I don't know if I want to save them to give to my kids, share with my kids. Why would I? I bought the box. Why do I have to share with anybody, right? Just kidding. I'll share with them. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have this subscription? Have you guys gotten it before? I'm definitely going to keep it because I love these snacks. I did see one where a subscription, I don't remember what it was called, but you get a different snacks from, not different, you get snacks from a different country every month, which I did think about doing that one, but I think I didn't because it was actually a little pricey, like $30 or $40 a month, and that's way out of my budget. But I'm gonna keep this one. I love everything in here except the gum, but I'm excited about it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate you guys being here. Before you guys leave, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below, and also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. And again, thank you guys so much for being here. Oh, I know I promised I was gonna announce a giveaway. I'm working on that video now. I want to get the items first before I announce it. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.